They're both kind of insecure in bed. And deaf.
Deaf. Deaf.
And deaf. And deaf. So they're constantly like having to reassure each other that they're having a good time.
Reassure. Reassure.
So they're constantly like having to reassure each other that they're having a good time.
Ross, check it out. Hockey tickets, Rangers, Penguins, tonight at the Garden, and we're taking you.
Happy birthday, pal.
We love you, man.
Pal. Pal.
Happy birthday, pal.
We love you, man.
All right. Maybe it will take my mind off it. You promise to buy me a big foam finger?
You got it.
Foam. Foam.
You promise to buy me a big foam finger?
You got it.
Look at the window. There's my name. Hi, me. I remember the day I got my first paycheck.
Paycheck. Paycheck.
I remember the day I got my first paycheck.
Lead spots Messier in the crease is the pass. Oh.
We'll take a brief time out while Messier stops to look at some women's shoes.
Messy. Messy.
We'll take a brief time out while Messier stops to look at some women's shoes.
Actually, nectarines, but basically,
Could have been a peach.
then we,
Peach. Peach.
Could have been a peach.
then we,
I write the specials on the specials board, and I take the dead flowers out of the vase,
Vase. Vase.
and I take the dead flowers out of the vase.
but now that you mention it, there was ice there that night. It was the first frost.
Frost. Frost.
It was the first frost.
Well, I'm not completely satisfied.
Listen, it's kind of an emergency. Well, I guess you'd know that or we'd be in the predicament room.
Predicament. Predicament.
Well, I guess you'd know that or we'd be in the predicament room.
No, that's not what we ordered. We ordered a fat-free crust with extra cheese.
Crust. Crust.
We ordered a fat-free crust with extra cheese. Oh, bonehead.
Wait, was this a small Mediterranean guy with curiously intelligent good looks?
Curiously. Curiously.
Wait, was this a small Mediterranean guy with curiously intelligent good looks? Wait, was this a small Mediterranean guy with curiously intelligent good looks?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Was he wearing a stunning blue suit?
And a power tie.
Stun. Stun.
Was he wearing a stunning blue suit?
And a power tie.
Lights still out?
Yeah.
Maybe they're napping.
Nap. Nap.
Maybe they're napping.
I remember the moonlight coming in through the open window, and her face had the most incredible glow.
Glow. Glow.
And her face had the most incredible glow. And her face had the most incredible glow.
Yes, the moon, the glow, the magical feel.
Magical. Magical.
Yes, the moon, the glow, the magical feel.
Do you remember that vegetarian pate that I made that you love so much?
Uh-huh. Well, unless goose is a vegetable.
Goose. Goose.
Well, unless goose is a vegetable.
You know, it's sweet. It's romantic.
Really?
No, you kidding? The guy's a freak. I judge.
freak, freak,
No, you kidding? The guy's a freak. I judge.
That's attractive. Oh, I thought you were great in Silence of the Lambs.
Lamb, lamb.
You gotta do it, man.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm rubber, you're glue. Whatever you...
glue, glue,
Oh, yeah, well, I'm rubber, you're glue. Whatever you...